Merry Christmas from all of us here at Rhapsody Clicks to you all around the world. The joy of Christmas fills our heart and fills the whole world as we sponsor Rhapsody Realities to nations and to peoples all around the world. Today's Rhapsody Realities is amazing. The article says, Jesus of Nazareth, the only true God. In today's world where there's so much lies and deception and delusion, it's important that we keep our minds on God's word and let people know the true story of Christmas. Christmas is about Jesus. Christ, out of Christmas, all you have is a mass. But He is the one that puts joy in Christmas. Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas, love you, God bless you.